Hey guys, my name is Juan Rodriguez and I'm a technical marketing engineer here at Cisco. Today we're going to be talking about the Webex app in-meeting experience. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I need to do is go into the Meetings tab and start a meeting. The way you start a meeting is you can click Start a Meeting and that will open your personal meeting room immediately, directly from the Webex app. A few things that you can do before joining a meeting is that you can change some of the settings. You can connect to a video system directly. You can change your background if you would like to different kinds of backgrounds that we have available for you, or you can upload one of your own. You can change the audio settings to include voice removal, optimize for your voice, or music mode. Music mode means that it'll pick everything up, background noise and everything. Noise removal means that any noise that comes from the background that is non-human, it will automatically take out so that the other people will not hear it. This is great. And we have a new option called Optimize for My Voice. This will detect your voice, and with the AI that we have in our technology, it will customize that for your voice only. So it doesn't matter if there's people talking on the background, it will only detect and send your voice, which is great for working from home. Once you have selected the settings that you want, let's go ahead and start the meeting. Once you see people starting to join your meeting, you can have them at the lobby or let them in directly. Me, I have the setting to have them wait at the lobby until I let them in automatically. And this is how I do that. The first thing I want to showcase is the layouts options that we have. As you can see, we have a 5x5 grid where everybody can see each other. If you need to focus on more people, you can customize this just by moving the magnifying glass. And as you can see, the grid automatically will start changing to adjust to what you need. But let's say you need more. You want to be able to focus and see who's coming and who's going in the meeting. You can change this, for example, to a side by side and have one of the persons completely focus. If you want to change and have more people available to you so they're visible, you can do this by just dragging the screen. Let's say that somebody's coming up that you want to make sure that the focus is on them. You can simply grab them and drag them to the stage. And you can do that with any of the other users as well. While they're on the stage, if you want to put the attention on just them, you can also do that. Let's say one of the persons is done having the conversation and you want to take them off the stage. All you have to do is click on Options and Remove from Stage. In a big meeting, you want to make sure as a host that everybody is seeing the same thing you are. You can do that by just locking the screen. Right here, you can synchronize your screen to everybody else's. Just by simply locking the stage view, you can sync everybody's stage to yours. Another thing that you might want to consider is enabling your Webex assistant. You can find that here on the bottom of your page. Once you have your Webex assistant on, you can have captions, you can have highlights, your recording can be linked to a space, and you'll have all the power of Webex within your fingertips. Let's say you're speaking to a customer from Latin and they prefer to read everything you're saying in Spanish. With Webex Assistant, you can do that. All you have to do is change the subtitles to Spanish. Close language. Now, everything I'm saying will automatically be translated to Spanish for their convenience. And each user can do that with their own Webex Assistant. In Webex, when you have a big audience and you want to break to smaller sections just to kind of brainstorm or think of ideas to then gather in the main meeting again. You can do that with our breakout rooms. Simply enable your breakout sessions, determine how many number of sessions you need enable, and assign the participants automatically. Here, you can move users to different groups. You can exchange them with different people, or you can just simply start a breakout and everybody will be on their own session until we decide for them to come back to the main session, which is a great way to brainstorm for big ideas in a big meeting. Most of the time that we're in a meeting, we need to go ahead and share content. With Webex app, this is very simple. All you have to do is click on share, decide if you're going to be sharing an application or if you're going to be sharing your full screen. Webex is smart enough to know if you're sharing video or text. You can leave it for it to detect it automatically and optimize accordingly, or you can choose which one you prefer. Of course, in a meeting, you want to keep people engaged. The easiest way to accomplish this is by a poll. We can do this with apps. In apps, you have Slido, Miro, and anything that your administrator has configured within the Webex Control Hub. And the experience is fully integrated directly from the Webex app. You can create a poll, a Q&A directly from the meeting itself. And of course, you can ask for a reaction to see how everybody's enjoying the meeting. With that, I want to go ahead and thank you for watching. Again, my name is Juan Rodriguez from the Technical Marketing Engineer. I hope you have a great day.